welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this blanket that I ordered from AliExpress. This blanket cost me $26, and this is a custom blanket of myself. Now from a certain angle, this picture does look kind of ugly, but from the right angle it's very pretty. Like, this angle is hideous, but like this angle is somewhat better. So I just sent them a photo of myself and they just printed it out for me. It took like a month to come because the first time they didn't even ship it. Why, I don't know. So I did all this in PixArt, and this is what it looks like. So this material I'm not too much of a fan of, because like if you do like this, that's what it looks like, which is ugly. So you constantly have to like do like that to make it look a lot better, and that can be kind of annoying. So it just says Mercy Cosmetics, then Look Kiss Mar, and then I did put a filter over this. So yeah, from this angle it looks hideous, like I said, but from the side angle it looks a lot better. Like from this angle it looks a lot better versus the other angle. But yeah, this is a cartoon of myself that somebody did for me. But yeah, it's a pretty big blanket. It's very thick. Well, it's not that thick, but it's a decent thickness. But if you buy it, it should take 2 weeks to come, unless they playing games like they did for me, so it might take longer. But it shouldn't take more than a month, really. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the other side. So this is the other side, and I will leave the size of this blanket in the video or in the description, because they have a lot of different sizes. Again, this cost me $26. I don't know if the price went down or higher, but you can check. I'll leave the link in the description. So that is pretty much this blanket. Again, if you do like this, that's what it'll look like, but you have to keep doing like that for it to look smooth. Like, and then it does have like little yarn. It's not yarn. Well, yeah, this right here, like little pieces coming up. So yeah, it's kind of cheap material. Definitely not the best material, but you get what you pay for, you know. Like this, like what's all this on there? Like what is this on my hand? So yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of this material. If you do not like this material, do not get it. But it is very soft. I just hate this. That is what I hate the most. But yeah, the printing was okay. Printing's not bad at all. It's definitely not the best, but I've seen worse. So yeah, this is a filter that I put over the actual photo. That's why it looks all different colors or whatever. But yeah. So again, this is the blanket. So am I happy with this? Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Just from certain angles it looks rough, but from the right angle, like this is my favorite angle. The other angles are hideous. But yeah, it's okay. So I have it tucked under some of these pillows. So it's very long. And it's not too thin, it's not too thick. It's perfect in the back. The back is white. As you can see, same material. But yeah, that's pretty much the blanket. So guys, tell me if you like this blanket, you hate it, you love it. And if you want me to leave a link to who did this cartoon for me, I will leave his Instagram and the description. And he charges $15 for faces and $20 for full body, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much how this pretty much how this blanket is. If you want me to buy like some more custom stuff, just let me know. I know a lot of people, they do custom things themselves off Instagram. like glam_creation. She did my t-shirt. I haven't showed you guys the shirt actually. I might post it on my stories. Yeah, I'm gonna post the shirt on my stories so you can see what that looks like after I post this video. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much this blanket. How do you guys like it? Again, I just really hate this material. Like what is that? That just looks awful. Like, I just really hate the way that looks. Like it's just terrible. Like what is that? So yeah, I'm just gonna get a closer look. So you can see how some black spots and this stuff comes off, but like, why is that even on there? But again, you get what you pay for it. So this is kind of a cheap material, but it's very low, as in it doesn't cost that much. So that's why it's not the best material. Like, what is all of this? Like, this isn't even going anywhere. But yeah, guys, if you don't mind the cheap material, then you should definitely get it. It didn't have to be that much top notch. I just got it because it was cheap. And I was like, this would be dope to have over my bed. But yeah, maybe I should have got like the Marisa Cosmetics a little bit bigger. But then I was like, I don't know. I kind of like the size that it was. And then I don't like how this is. I feel like this is printed cheaply. Like the words are. The face is okay, but the words are kind of, I don't know, it just looks cheap to me. What do you guys think? Maybe it would have been best if I would have did like a solid Marisa Cosmetics, like a solid color instead of like a whitish, pinkish or whatever. But I'm going to show you guys the original photo that I sent them. So yeah, I'm going to show you that. This is the original photo that I sent them. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But yeah, that is the original photo, which looks a lot better than this. Again, this angle of my face looks terrible. My face just looks so huge, but like from the side, it doesn't look like that. It looks good. But from this angle, I don't know what happened. But yeah, it looks like that on camera. From like in person, it doesn't look as bad as it does on camera. Why? I don't know. But yeah, so as you can see, the size was a 150 by 230. So that comes with the blanket as well, which is, and that is their biggest size too, by the way. But you can get them a lot smaller for a lot cheaper price. But yeah, so I can see like the color change was to the purple to like a pinkish red, and over here it's like a reddish, and then kind of dark up there. But all that is a filter that I did put on it, so it's not like they misprinted or anything. As you can see, the color change right there. See, yeah, but color, I think they were pretty spot on with the color. It's just these words that I'm just not a fan of, because it's kind of solid in the picture. I know it's hard to see. And then it's like a blue glow around the words. I might post a picture in the video so it'll be easier to see. But it's like a blue glow around the words at the bottom. It's like a blue glow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but see how it's like blue at the bottom of my the bottom of Marisa Cosmetics. And so that's why they have like this blue here. But it doesn't look as like clean as the actual photo, because the photo shows it as like a highlight. And this is just kind of, it's kind of just splattered there. It's not really, you know, bringing anything to the words like it was in the original photo, which is another thing I don't like. But otherwise, besides the words, I think it looks alright. I just hate how the blanket feels. Like, it feels soft, but I just hate the little, you know, hate that. And I hate how it's not like 100% clean, because it's like a little lines and strings, kind of, you look deep. Like, what is all of that? Like, what is that? I have to wipe this off, because see, all this comes off. Like, it's just cheap quality, but like I said, you get what you pay for. But yeah, if you don't mind all these cheap qualities, if you don't mind all these flaws on it, if it doesn't have to be perfect to you, then I said go for it. If it has to be perfectionist, then this is definitely not what you want. Because again, it's a lot of stuff like this. And all this, I just took this out the packaging, guys, so it's already, I didn't do any of this, so it's already half dirty. And then they play games when it came to shipping. They keep contacting them like, where's my package? But it is what it is at this point. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave if you liked it, hate it, live. If you just hate the image, you hate the words, you think I should do something different, you think I should have like a picture of my Colossus as a blanket. Now that would be a dope idea, but I already got one blanket. I don't need another one, because I was tempted just to do one, like one just myself, like just a selfie of me. But I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. I want to, but I ain't gonna do it. But thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment and subscribe, and I see you in the next video.